Want to get a giffgaff eSIM? Just head over to your App Store and download the giffgaff mobile app. You'll need to create a new account in our app. On the app dashboard, you'll see an option at the top that lets you choose between a physical SIM or an eSIM. Tap on the eSIM. Then head over to the Choose Your Plan page and pick the plan you'd like. Once you've chosen your plan, set up your payment method, read the terms and conditions, and complete your purchase by tapping Activate Now. On the next screen, you'll be able to activate your shiny new eSIM. Don't worry, if you lose connection at any point, you can always pick up the journey from where you left off in the app dashboard. Once you've activated your eSIM, go to the next page and tap Install eSIM. A separate page will pop up on the screen. Just tap Continue to install your new eSIM on your phone. It will take a couple of seconds. Once it's finished, tap Done. This will take you back to the giffgaff app where you'll see confirmation that you're all set up and ready to go. In the app, you'll be able to see all the details of your new plan and you can check back on your usage at any time. Remember, you can't have the same number on more than one SIM at any given time, but you can have as many giffgaff eSIMs with different numbers as you would like, so long as you have a multi-SIM device and have activated your eSIM. If you need any help, visit giffgaff.com/help. Giffgaff, we're up to good.